Hello everyone, this is the North America Math Contest Go Go Go. This week we are going to do a problem. We are required to finish 4 problems based on this graph. First problem, find all x coordinates at which f has a relative maximum. Give a reason for your answer. Let's look at this problem. First, a relative maximum needs to be a critical point. So all critical points are this and this. Remember, a relative maximum needs to change from positive to negative or from negative to positive. Only -2 fits the requirement. Therefore, the answer for A is -2. Now let's work on the second problem. On what open intervals contained in -3 less than x less than 4 is the graph of f, both concave down and decreasing? Give a reason for your answer. So let's first understand the criteria for concave down on the fx graph. Concave down needs to be decreasing. Decreasing needs fx to be the negative. So the interval that needs to fit 2 requirements, fx needs to be decreasing and it needs to be negative. So there's only this part that fits, -2 to -1 and 1 to 3. So and this is the answer. Now let's look at the next problem. Find the x-coordinate of all points of inflection on the graph of f. Give a reason for your answer. So let's find the x-coordinate. So as we all know, it needs to be the inflection points. The left part, the concavity changes for the inflection point. Point of inflection, concavity changes. So let's see. This is a concavity point. Down, up. This is a concavity point. Up, down. This is a concavity point. Down, up. So the 3 point of inflection is -1, 1, and 3. Now let's look at the final problem. Given that f1 is equal to 3, write an equation for fx and find f4 and f-2. So fx is equal to 3 plus is equal to this. Why? Because this doing this can, so it is similar to setting the 3 as a standard point, and then if it goes right, then it decreases and increases certain points so that it reaches what we are expected to, the value that we are expected to find. So we can think of 3 as a standard point, and then this thinks as the alternation of adding and minusing certain values to achieve a certain value that we want. So let's start. So f4 is equals to 3 plus this f4. So since we know that this is equal to 9, and then we can get that this is equal to 12. Now let's get f-2. 3 plus f1 -2 f -2. Which this is equal to 3 minus, remember this is very important, this, and we get that the result is -9. So the two results, so f4 is equal to 12 and f2 -2 is equal to -9. Here we come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you have learned a lot. If you would like, please subscribe below. Thanks. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!